Okay, seventh graders, this is our next writing assignment. It is sentence building block. With this assignment, we are going to be writing longer sentences. By doing this, we can start writing longer, more interesting sentences. It will also give our writing some pizzazz with a variety of sentence structures. Have fun and enjoy. So let's look at this. Sentence building blocks. If you look at the example, it starts out with the very basic sentence of the baby cried. If you look over here to the side, it says add when. So when did the baby cry? Last night, the baby cried. So we're going to keep that sentence that we just made, and now we're going to add a size or a color. So last night, the tiny baby cried. Notice we just added the word tiny to that sentence. It was a size. Next, we're going to add a name of a place. So as last night, the tiny baby cried in her crib. It gave us a place that the baby cried. So last but not least, we're going to add a name. Last night, Greta's tiny baby cried in her crib. So notice we started with a basic sentence. Each time we added something to it to make it a longer, more interesting sentence with pizzazz. So our next one is a boy played. So we have to add when. So we would say yesterday. Oh, sorry. I need to erase that. I need to go to a pencil. So we might say yesterday, day, a boy played. Then we might add to that on our next one, add a size or a color. So we might say yesterday, the small boy played. Don't forget to put periods on the end of your sentences. Now we need to name a place. So we would say yesterday, the small boy played outside. And it gave us two lines to write that on this time. The small boy played outside. Yet now we need to add a name. So we would say yesterday, the small boy played outside outside. Let's go, and I'm going to abbreviate it, Shawnee Heights Middle School. So I named a place that he played. He played outside our school. So what you are going to do now is you're going to continue adding to the last three. And you need to add a when, a size, a color, a place, and then a name. You're going to do it for these three. And then last but not least, don't forget to submit it to me through Canvas. Now, if you need to copy down what I wrote, you can pause the video, stop the video, leave it up to get what I wrote down, and then add yours to it and submit it to me through Canvas. Good luck, have fun, enjoy.